ayan, ngayon mag-unbox tayo ng littlehaven.ph. Actually, alam na namin tong Little Haven na to kasi nakikita namin siya sa mga mall. Diba, Ate Pia, natatandaan mo? Gustong-gusto ni Ate Pia yung mga mini crafts nila, yung gumagawa ng mga house na maliliit. So, yun. So, luckily, napili tayo ng Little Haven na maging ambassador.
Yay!
So, yan. If you want to create something, magkaroon ng miniatures, you can buy sa Little Haven. Use our promo code na Team Uy. If you want to see their miniatures, you can visit their social media handles sa Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, lilhaven.ph.
Yeah.
Okay, so, open na natin to. Itong gagawin natin project. Are you excited? Can you close your eyes? Okay, 1, 2,
What? Can I open it? Can I open it? Thank
So, ito yung gagawin natin
It's
for
a-
ilang months. So,
it's a
this is a
carousel.
carousel.
Childhood memory.
Yan. So, kung makikita nyo, ayan, ang ganda niya, di ba? So, meron siyang parang umiikot na carousel. And then, makikita mo, meron din siyang motorcycle ba yon? And sobrang girly niya kasi pink lahat, ate?
Huh?
Personally, si Ate Pia ang nag-choose nito. And thank you, Lil Haven, for making Sophia's dream come true. So, ito, gagawin na natin siya. Unbox na natin. Kita nyo naman, meron pang sticker, meaning hindi pa siya nabubuksan. So, yan. Okay. Unbox natin siya.
Hey, my face. I cannot see. What is nothing?
So, first box is this one.
There's something inside.
Tingnan mo nga, Ate
The
Pia, kung ano to.
horses!
Tingnan mo nga kung ano to.
It's 73.
So, this one,
It's the horse.
the horse.
What is this?
So, be careful kasi maliliit siya.
Wood.
So, dapat walang mawala.
Oh, it's wood.
So, ito yung, I think, ito yung, may stairs ba siya?
Yep.
Oo, mukhang ito yung stairs. Papunta sa second
Wait,
floor.
I think it's
And then,
that
ito,
was white.
part ng furniture.
This one is the stairs.
Yes, mga
Oopsie.
upuan, ganyan. Then, another set of stairs.
And then this,
Ayan.
another one.
This one,
Another set of stairs.
siguro,
That's
ano
the
to?
stairs.
Stairs din. So, let us see kung ano to.
And then, what is this?
Ano to?
Wait.
Mukhang ito yung parang division or oo nga, parang part din siya ng wall. So, let us see na lang kung ano yung mga yan.
Let me
So,
see
yun
the
yung laman
horse
nito.
again.
Okay.
Oh, I
Then,
love the horse. They're so
ito.
cute.
Ayan. So, merong kasamang mga tools.
Yeah.
Screwdriver, ruler,
And the seesaw.
scissor, and a cutter. So, yan. Saka
But
meron
it-
din yung parang tweezer.
And be careful, kids.
Be careful. You should always do this with your parents. So, yan. And then, what is this? This is a glue.
Glue.
Ayan, may glue na kasama.
It says a Japanese word.
Actually, there are two glues.
Ooh.
Ayan. Pakita mo sa kanila. And then, what is this? Look. Sige nga, open mo to.
This is the
Open mo,
motor.
open.
I think this is the motor.
Yan yung motor. Ito. Open din natin to. So, check natin lahat yung items para alam natin kung
It's the motor!
it's the motorcycle. I-check natin yung items para alam natin kung saan natin kukunin yung yung mga parts. Okay.
This
So, yan. Pakita mo sa kanila yung motor.
the head camera.
Oh, yan. Yun yung motor.
But the wheels don't work.
So, ito na yung parang pinaka makina nung carousel. Kasi para siyang musical box. So, yan. Ito yung pinaka-music. Ito na yung parang mga pang-decors. Ayan, mga beads.
Oh, I
Mga
love beads.
flowers, mga
I want to decorate
pampaganda ng
it.
furnitures.
Oh, these ones are cute. Aww. And cool.
So ito naman yung parang sa mga division, saka basta yung part nung mismong store. Parang it smells Christmas. Ang bango.
Oh, balloons.
Okay.
It's a balloon.
Huwag mong sisirain yan. So, ito
And
naman,
there's
siguro
one.
yung parang pinaka-foundation. So, ayan.
Let me see.
Ayan. Ano siya? Hard na cardboard ba to be?
I think this one is the ground.
Parang plyboard siya.
I think this is one. This is the top one. I think this is the top
Okay.
one. What is?
So, ano lang kayo, standby lang kayo kasi magpo-post kami ng mga updates about the miniature crafts na gagawin namin from Lil Haven.
What is?
What is that?
There's white tape and
So parang siguro
like
yun yung
stickers.
parang
there's like
pattern. So ayan, ito, meron siyang yung parang mirror.
some
Fiberglass yata to.
stickers.
Acrylic. So yan, may acrylic dito.
Look,
And
there's
then the stickers. Pakita mo ate.
Oh my goodness, this is a big.
And,
Ah!
so yan. Okay. Tiya baka
And the instructions. Oh,
So, ito
the
yung isa
colors
sa mga
are
instruction.
beautiful.
Ito yung parang isa rin sa mga patterns. So, yan.
The colors are beautiful.
Okay, ito yung gagawin natin. Ayan. So, ayan yung nandun sa picture ng box. Yung pinaka niya, tawag dito, anong tawag dito, B?
Instructions.
Instruction. Kasi nandito yung how to assemble. So, ayan. Nandito lahat kung saan kukunin. So, dapat, when you start doing this miniature, that medyo organized para hindi mawawala yung mga gamit. So, ayan. So, watch out for the updates kung ano yung development ng paggawa namin nitong Childhood Memories Carousel. Ayan.
Oh, I love this pattern.
Yes. So, yan. So,
So,
if you want this video, like, share, and subscribe. And
subscribe.
also, visit Lil Haven social
on
media.
Instagram,
On Instagram
and Facebook.
and on
TikTok.
TikTok. And don't forget to use our promo code TEAMUY to get 5% discount sa mga items nila. So, maraming silang miniatures. Hindi lang to. Isa lang to sa mga napili namin. Marami pang iba. Meron
And
pang mga
also,
Totoro.
this is the horse.
Oh, may horse. So, yan. So, till our next video and till our next update on our miniature. Bye!